Good morning, traders. I have just taken a long position here. It is Friday, February 27th, and I got 11 o'clock in the morning here, and I've just taken a long position using the code. And let's see where the exit's at. It's at 20 ticks. I'm trying to think if I want to keep it there. 45. The top is at 45. That's not a good place to put it right there. Let me think about this for a second. Alright, let me go for an extra 10. I'm going to go for 30 on this one. 45, let's put it up to 55. 55 on the limit. This is a 30 tick trade. See, because look, I'm looking at the 10 minute. Let's take a look at the 10 minute and you can see what I'm talking about. It would be dumb to put my exit right where it was, because here's the 10 minute, right? Let's go take a zoom out a little bit, get some perspective here where we are. Okay, there's the previous top right there. So at 45, right around 45, or 45 is my exit, I think it was. Yeah, 45 is my exit. So that's just on the break. See, it goes right past the break and you get out. That's not a good place to get out. If you wanted to get out, you could get out before the break. You could get out 10 ticks, 20 ticks after the break. But, you know, right there after the break, that's a dumb place to put your exit. It just so happened that, you know, from the place that the code got me in to the place where my exit is, happened to be there. So from there, I just adjust it, change it. It should come up here. I've got it at 55. Actually, 55 is another break. Alright, let's go put it at 65 then. There's 65. That's like 10 ticks over the break. Here we go. Here it comes. 10 ticks over the break. I'll go on manual once it goes up there. A ways to go here. Let me go over and take a look at the 1 minute here. Could see what's going on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here comes the exit. Went it to 59, I'm at 65. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't come back down now. No, no, no. Back up one more time, I'm going to get out. I just want to retrace one more time up there, and I'm going to jump out. Come on, don't come down now. Oh, come on. Did I just miss it? I just missed it. I don't believe this. Come on, retrace one more time. Alright, I'm going to have to exit if it doesn't do it. Get up there. That was a mistake, not getting out up there. But usually it'll give you a second chance. If you don't get out the first chance, well, I shouldn't say usually. A lot of times it will. Because see, let me show you something. See that? It's a 10 minute. Okay? See that big line right there? A lot of times it'll retrace that line again. At least halfway, 3/4 of the way. It'll retrace that line. I'm going to exit at that point. As soon as it does it. I'm not going to wait for it to go break again. I'm just going to exit up there. Or it'll come back down now hard. One of the two. I'll exit break even before it does that. So it'll be one of the two. I'm obviously hoping it retraces. Okay, getting ready to exit here. Okay, come on, get back up there this time. One more try. One more time, please. I'll exit right around 53 or so. Okay, here we go. Comes my chance. Comes my chance. 49, 50, going out now. Okay. That's how you go out on the strength. You know, maybe it's going to go even higher now. I think it is. Maybe not. But see how it did retract, like I said? There's certain points like that, there's certain realities to the market, or to this code, I should say, this system, whatever you want to call it. There's certain realities to it that you can, understand how it works and then be able to take advantage of it. Like, for instance, let's say I had gotten scared right there and gotten out. Obviously, I wouldn't have gotten anywhere near as much as I waited till it go back up and get out and then take it right there. Obviously, now it's breaking and going even higher. I should have just held. But I would have made my original exit too, I think. Yeah, 70, 50, I think it was 75. Or no, it was 65, I think. Yeah, I would have hit it. Anyway, a trade's a trade. What can you do? So I will. I'm going to come back. I'm going to see if I can't catch the 1 trade per day strategy, and see if I can catch it today. Get another 20. Who knows? Maybe more ticks out of it today. So I'll come back shortly. We'll try to take something. But let me just ask you a question. Is this code trading cool or what? Come on, this is like the coolest thing there is. Coolest thing in the world, trading the code. I'll be back. And honestly, I mean, I have no idea why, Anyway. These videos speak for themselves. Okay, I have just taken a short position here. This is the 1 trade per day code 2 strategy. This is going for 20 ticks, 60 down to 40. A quick 20 ticks to end the day, to end the week. Should be a good one. I could probably go for more on this one. I could probably go for 30 on this one. But I'm going to keep the math high and just go for the 20. It looks like it's going to be a quick one. An easy one today. Almost there. 20 ticks. Take a look at the code here. Come on, stretch out. 1 time down, stretch out. Just like... Come on. What did it go to? 40... About 43. I'm at 40. 3 ticks away. Brother. Anyway, it'll make it. Just gotta give it some time. I'll come back and I'll show you the outcome of the trade, but it'll make it. It's just 20 ticks. Code is good for that basically every day. Be right back. Okay, because of the way it's doing this and the code, I'm gonna go for a little bit more here. I'm gonna take it down 10 more ticks. 40 down to 30. Should be able to make that. It's getting ready to break. There's 40's my exit right there. That was my exit. Now I'm down here to 30. Right here. Let's see how much it wants to slide down. There was 40, my exit right there is my original exit, 20 ticks. I might pay the price here. See it going back up? Darn, man. This thing. Constant game of chess. Let me think about that. It's just 20 ticks, right? But it's Friday. You have to be careful on Friday. Yeah, I shouldn't be going for this much on Friday. Let me put this exit back to 40. Should be going for that much. Let me just take the 40 off the table and try to take that. It's a little bit tight. Fridays are a bit tight usually. Except for today, it did stretch out quite a bit. coming up into this. So we should be able to make this 20 tick exit. Of course, it just made it right there. I don't know if it would have got me out. Okay, I'm going to hold for a bit. It may come back up a little bit. It may take a little while to get back down there. But I'm at 40 for the exit for 20 ticks. I'll come back. Okay, just wanted to show really quick that I've set the exit at 35 instead of the 40. So that's 25 ticks. Got a 25 tick exit on this one. Once it comes down here and breaks that 40, it'll slide down to the 35, no problem. So, piece of cake. This is a classic move it's doing right now, coming back up a little bit. It's just going to turn back around, come back down. It'll probably make it down to 30, maybe even 20 or so. So I'm just going to get out at 35. Threading the needle. I'll be back, show you the progression, or at least the outcome of this trade. So getting code 1 short entry there. It's going to go down and hit the exit. I could go for more right here. Could go for more. It should come down and break this low. And then it's just going to drop another 10 ticks. I could go for 30 very easily. But today's Friday. It's tight. On Fridays, I'm going to keep the math pretty high here. I want to keep it real high, go for 20. I got a little bit lower, going for 25. Should be able to hit 25. Because of the way things are working out here. Once it breaks right there, it's just going to drop a bit more. Should hit the exit. Code looks pretty good here. Should be getting ready to drop. Okay, I'll come back. It's going to go for the exit here. Maybe. See, where did it go? 40. Went to 40. It's right about the break. That's only 5 ticks down off the break. I really should put it for 10. But it's Friday. Time to keep the math high. My original exit was right here at 40. That's for 20. Trying to get a 5 tick break here. Watch I not even get it. You know what? I'm just going to get out. Okay, here we go. I'm out right there. That's my original 40 tick exit anyway. I mean 40 to exit at 40. There it goes. I would have made it to the exit. Oh well. No big deal. I'm in a hurry to go anyway. It's Friday. I'm anxious to get the week over with and the day over with. I was up last night. I took a big trade. I took a trade yesterday. I took trades today. Man, with the code, you can just take trades 24 hours a day. I mean, it's like ridiculous. You just get trades constantly. You just have to know how to use it, obviously. Which does take a little practice and study and stuff like that, you know. There's no easy ways in this life. You're looking for a red light, green light indicator, forget about it, man. It doesn't work. You have to learn how to trade yourself. If you can't do that, then I don't think you'll make it. So, anyway, I'm going to go. It's been a good week. Have a good weekend, traders. Hope you guys are doing good trading out there. The code 2s today. The chart. Well, take a look at the chart. It's terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. Look at that. Chop City today. It didn't go nowhere. It just stayed in a tight, 40 tick range up and down, 50 tick range up and down, until it finally broke one way, and then it went the other way. I mean, it's traded a little bit better since here, going up and down a bit more, but here it was Chop City. All the codes are no good. Euro, USA, everything. The only one that's good is the one I just took, the last code too. That's the only one that's basically good today. So anyway, not an easy day today, but the time I come in to trade is really good, as you can see. You see me doing really well Today, the code 1 would have worked great on the market, but the code 2s were no good. Code 2s were no good at all. Yeah, code 2 all messed up today. But so's the chart. It's in a really tight range. Okay, so I'm gonna get going. Have a good weekend, traders. I've been anxious to go. Been a long, hard week. I will see you guys next week. Have a good weekend. Happy trading out there. Go enjoy the money. See you next week.